You said older men are so ugly though. So is clocking in. That time clock is ugly to me. That traffic is ugly to me. Them low paychecks is ugly to me. Yep. Like most of them people at work are ugly. You're gonna have to look at 5 ugly people versus just one. And you're gonna be working. At least you can leave the house and go shopping and do something. Ain't got to look at somebody ugly all the time. But they can pay them bills. Okay, y'all talk about somebody ugly. You know, traffic is ugly. Low paychecks are ugly. Co-workers be ugly. Okay. The right reason to date someone is because they're beneficial. They're good for you. So date like that.